India, a land of vibrant colors, intoxicating aromas, and ancient traditions. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the tropical beaches of Kerala, India offers an astonishing variety of experiences. It's a country that overwhelms the senses and captivates the soul. Imagine bustling city streets filled with the sound of car horns and Bollywood music. Picture serene temples where incense burns and saffron-robed monks chant. India is a land of contrasts, where modernity meets tradition at every turn. Whether you seek adventure, spiritual enlightenment, or simply a change of pace, India has something to offer everyone. Come, explore the magic of this incredible country and create memories that will last a lifetime. India is home to architectural wonders that stand as testaments to its rich history and artistic brilliance. The Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a masterpiece of Mughal architecture. This white marble mausoleum, built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, is an enduring symbol of love and loss. The pink city of Jaipur, with its majestic palaces and forts, offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of Rajput royalty. Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds, is an iconic landmark with its intricate facade of windows and balconies. No trip to India is complete without a visit to Kerala's backwaters. Glide along the tranquil canals in a traditional houseboat, surrounded by lush greenery and coconut groves. It's a truly serene and unforgettable experience. India is a land of diverse cultures, religions, and traditions, each with its unique customs and celebrations. From the joyous festival of Holi, where people celebrate with colors, to Diwali, the festival of lights, India is a vibrant tapestry of cultural experiences. Indulge in the rich tapestry of Indian cuisine, a delightful explosion of flavors and aromas. From spicy curries to fragrant biryanis, each region boasts its culinary specialties. Don't miss the opportunity to savor a traditional thali, a platter filled with a variety of dishes, a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Experience the warmth of Indian hospitality. Engage with the locals, learn a few Hindi phrases, and immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of this incredible country. Beyond its cultural treasures, India is also a land of remarkable geographical diversity. From the towering Himalayas in the north, home to Mount Everest, to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa, India offers a landscape for every traveler. Trek through the lush forests of the Western Ghats, a biodiversity hotspot, or embark on a wildlife safari in one of India's many national parks, home to tigers, elephants, and rhinos. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, India's landscapes are sure to leave you spellbound.